In this video, we will review the basic functions of the virtual terminal. The virtual terminal is capable of processing many kinds of transactions, such as credit, debit, checks, gift cards, and loyalty cards. For this tutorial, let's run a credit card transaction. To do this, you will need to click on Virtual Terminal and then click on Credit from the list that appears below. For now, let's continue with the credit transaction. Once you've clicked on Credit, you will see a screen to your right that will have 4 tabs. These tabs are Sale, Pre-Auth for running authorizations, Return or Refund, and Force Auth for running force authorizations. Let's focus on the Sale tab and run a transaction. As you can see, there are many fields. Some of these fields are mandatory, while others are not. Card number, expiration, and subtotal are mandatory fields and must be filled out in order to run the transaction. The remainder of this page are all optional fields that may or may not be filled out depending on your needs. To run the transaction, it is as simple as entering in the card number, the expiration date, and the subtotal. Notice how the card number field has the word Visa to the right of it. This text will update depending on the card number and card type that you enter. For this example, we have filled in all of the fields. Once you have completed entering all of the information for the transaction, click the Process button at the bottom of this page. Be sure to only click the Process button once, as transactions may take up to several seconds depending on your computer and internet connection. Clicking multiple times could result in the transaction being duplicated. Once the transaction is processed, you will see all of the transaction information, as well as if the transaction has been approved or declined. You will also have the ability to print the receipt by clicking on the Print Receipt link, map the customer's address by clicking on the Map Address link, or email the receipt. To email the receipt, replace the sample email address in the box with the actual email address you would like to send the receipt to, then click the Email Receipt button. Keep in mind, you may only enter one email address in this field. We have now successfully run a credit card transaction using the virtual terminal. This concludes the tutorial video.